What is the tag for table in HTML? It's table. What is the tag for a row? TR. What is the tag for a column in that row? TD. Table data. Table row. Table data. How do you make two columns in one row? Here's the answer. Table, table tag, table row tag. Within table row tag, end table row tag, you have table data, 2005, end of table data, and then table data 14293 / table data, end of table data. So table row, TR, and then table data. That's the column. Column 1 and column 2. Column 1, column 2. End of that row, end of that table. How do you make a thick border around your table? Table, border equals 4. How do you make headers for each column in the table? Table, table row, and now table header. Year, end of table header amount, end of table header. So I have two columns here, year and amount. How do you make a top row that spans both of the table's columns, having financials, the word financials in it? Position above the previous table header and key in table row, table header, call span. I want you to span these many columns, 2. And I want you to write in that cell, financials, end of table header. What would our table look like? Financials, year, amount, 2005, 14293. What command spreads financials, the word financials, across the whole table? Table header, call span equals 2. And then financials, and then /th. How do you make your table wider? Table border equals 4. Width equals 500. 500 pixels? Yes. Table border equals 4. Width equals 500 pixels, px. How do you make your table fill up 100% of the window? Table, border equals 3 is good. Width equals 100%. Of course, within quotes. Question, what command pads the cells with spaces? Cell padding. How and where do you do that? Table, border equals 3, that's a good one. Then cell padding equals 50 pixels, within quotes. Do you notice the blank, blank all around the words? Even spacing. What do you think this does? Table, border equals 3, cell spacing equals 30 pixels. What does that do? It does this. It determines the spacing twixt each cell's borders and other cell borders. And other cell borders. This spacing here. This should be a little closer. What is this? Cell spacing equals 30 pixels. It is the spacing twixt the cell borders of each cell. 30 pixels, 30 pixels. That should be closer. What is this? Cell padding equals 50 pixels. This is the padding of space twixt the words and the borders of each cell. The words and the borders of each cell. You're padding the space between the words and the borders of each cell. Cell padding equals 50 pixels. That brings us to the end of test 2, HTML. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.